Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to fly at top speed in Fall Guys clan of Yeetus. So basically what you are going to do is to stand beside of it and then jump, and I'll be showing you when to jump. So basically when you stand beside it, jump right after it comes to you, okay, as you can see here. Now when it comes to the front, you quickly want to jump towards it, and then it will automatically push you towards the target, which is in the middle, and you will get 5 points. Easy peasy. Now we can see it again here. Just after it spins to the front, press jump and it will automatically push you towards the target, and after that you will win. Okay, that's it for this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like and do whatever you want for more content of Fall Guys and other games. In the time being, peace out.